Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here, which is a combination of cranberry, cut crease, just the right amount of glitter, and it's the perfect glam either for prom or any special occasion for that matter. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get this started. I'm going to start with priming my face using the 020 Rose Gold Exceller. This is infused with 24 karat gold, so it makes your skin looking and feeling very luxuriously smooth. This was sent to me by Hip Dot, so if you guys are planning to buy this or anything else from the Hip Dot shop, everything is so affordable on their site. I've included a discount code in the description box below. To color correct my face, I'm using this orange color corrector from the Coastal Scents Concealed Palette. I'm going to be applying this with a brush around my face where I have dark patches, dark circles, as well as dark spots to neutralize it. And then I will blend it out with a damp beauty sponge before I set it with the NYC loose powder. That way it doesn't mix with the foundation that's coming up next. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy Plus Smooth. This is for normal to dry skin. This is in the color Sandy Beige. First, I will apply this with a brush to the center part of my face, and then I will spread it out with a damp beauty sponge. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Nude. I will be working in sections because this product dries up really quickly and it's harder to blend it out when it's dry. I will apply it first to my jawline, blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, then to the center part of my face, and then around my eyes. After I've blended everything out, I'm going to set just around my eyes with the NYC loose powder, just so the concealer doesn't settle in the fine lines and crease. Using the Rimmel Stay Matte Press Powder in the color Sandstorm, I'm going to set the rest of my face to remove any shine and mattify it. I'm going to very quickly contour using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the hollows of my cheekbones as well as my jawline, and then I will use their Color Icon blush in Fantastic Plastic Pink just to add that hue of rosiness on my cheeks. To add some illumination to my face, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls. I'm going to be applying this to the highest planes of my face first with a brush, and then I will slowly dab it in with my finger just to get that natural glow as opposed to making it look very powdery. Moving on to my eyes, for my eye makeup today, I'm going to be using the Boss Bitch palette again from Hip Dot. First, I'm taking the color Believe, which is a very soft brown color, just perfect for transition. I'm going to be using this in the outer corners, defining it, and then whatever residue is left on my blending brush, the one that I'm using today is Sigma E40, I will bring it down to the inner corner. So I will use this in the entire crease and soften everything up. Next, I'm taking the color Awake and I'm going to repeat the previous step. So I'm going to be using this in the outer corner as well as the crease using a Wet n Wild blending brush. And then I will blend this out with the transition color using my Sigma E40. Taking more of the same color with a pencil brush, I'm going to smoke this out in the lower lash line just to soften everything up. Next, I'm taking the color Paradise with a pencil brush to intensify the outer V as well as the crease before I cut my crease. This will help to deepen up the crease, and when you cut the crease, it looks much prettier. To cut my crease, I'm taking some concealer with a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to cut my crease all the way up to 2/3 of my lid. And I'm going to go above my natural crease line because I have slightly hooded eyes, and when you go above your natural crease line, it almost gives an illusion of larger lid space. Once I reach the edge of the cut crease, I'm going to use my finger to diffuse out the concealer with the eyeshadow. That way there's no harsh line left there, and it's easier for me to blend out any colors that I apply over this. Taking the color Grace with a flat shader brush, I'm going to set this concealer. Taking more of the color Awake, I'm going to apply this right at that point where the concealer meets the eyeshadows with a diffuse blending brush from Wet n Wild. That way it looks seamlessly blended. Using a darker brown color called Winning, I'm going to intensify the outer corner a tad bit more using a tapered blending brush. I'm going to be defining my half-cut crease line with the Pop Feel Crystal Glitter Liner in pink. This is again from Hip Dot. What I love about this liner is the glitter in here is not very chunky or over the top, so it's very comfortable on the lids. At the same time, looks very glam. After dusting off all the excess powder that I used under my eyes for baking, I'm going to be lining my waterline using the black eye pencil from NYX. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. The one that I'm using today is from Wet n Wild. It's their Lash-O-Matic mascara. For lashes, I'm using Luxie Lash in Ain't No Wifey. I'm going to use the NYX matte black eyeliner to hide the lash band as well as line my top lash line. To finish off my eye makeup, I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lash line. Using more of the Mineral Glow Pearls from Physicians Formula, I'm going to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. That way my eyes look more separated and widened up. It gives an illusion of bigger eyes. To complement my eye makeup, I wanted a very rich color on my lips, and for that I'm using the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in the color Famous. And here's the completed look. I absolutely loved the way it turned out. Let me know what you thought of it by commenting below. And if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you plan to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on social media. I've included all the links in the description box below. And I will see you again on Thursday with a brand new one. Bye guys.